Salvete, guys. Sorry that I'm just showing you a video of the top left corner of my screen, but this is just me recording the reading of the story Pugna on page 90 of your stage 6 packet. Please listen to me reading the story and see if you can answer the true or false questions below just listening to the story. After you're listening to the story once, twice, maybe 3 times, and there's something you just don't get, try looking at the story in the packet that I've linked on the presentation and see if you can answer them there. It's just 6 questions, true or false. So I'm going to start reading now. The story is called Pugna, which means fight. Clemens in foro ambulabat, turba maxima erat in foro. Servi et ancilli cibum emebant. Multi pastores panem vendebant. Poeta recitabat. Mercator Graecus contentionem cum agricola habebat. A contentionem is an argument. Mercator eratus pecuniam postulabat. Postulabat was demanding. Subito agricola Graecum pulsavit, quod Graecus agricolam vituperabat. Pompeiani ridebant, et agricolam incitabant. Encouraged. Incitabant means encourage or egged on. Clemens, post quam clamorem audivit, ad pugnam festinavit. Tandem agricola mercatorem superavit, et ephoro agitavit. Pompeiani agricolam fortem laudaverunt. That is the end of the story. Try your best and listen to it again, at least one more time, if not 2. And then you can check out the story in the packet and see what you could get without looking. Thanks, guys. Walete.